Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of my new Louis Vuitton items that I received in the mail. I did order it online, but actually they didn't have it online, so I did get it over the phone. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to get it. So let's do the unboxing, and then if you guys have any questions, just comment below and I'll be able to help you. I'll also be making a new video showing you guys how you guys can get these hard to find items. Well, what has worked for me to be able to get those hard to find items. Like for example, my last video with the Kirigami Pouchet set is usually always sold out online. So I'll show you guys kind of what I did to be able to get it. This item was also hard to find. It took me a while for me to get my hands on it. So I'll show you guys. So let's unbox it. Okay, so this is the first look to the bag, well, to the box. Okay, so same, it comes like if you go to the store, the little receipt, and since it's online, like all the stuff if you want to return it, if you don't like it, which there's no way I'm going to return it. I fell in love with it just on the photos. So this is how it comes. So they did tell me that it might not come with the ribbon because of the whole COVID, but it looks like it did come with the ribbon. Yay! How exciting. So let's open it up. Okay, how exciting. So you guys are gonna get my reaction on camera. Okay, so let's open it up. So it comes like this with this dust bag. Cute. Okay, let me get it out of the dust bag so I can kind of show you guys. Camera's falling. Okay, there we go. I hate the camera. We're all set. Okay, so it comes like this in this cute little dust bag. Let's open it up. How exciting. Oh, that's something different. They all come in dust bags. So look. So one big dust bag, and since it is the multi Pouchet accessory bag, I don't know if you guys know which one I'm talking about. It does have like 3 bags in one, kind of. So yeah, that's exciting. Okay, let's open up the big one. Let's see, I was not expecting 3 dust bags. So let's put this on the side. So this is the large one, which I got it personally because you can use it in so many ways. What I've seen, like, see, it has the little attach like hooks for you to hang your chain. So you can just buy not any Louis Vuitton strap. You do want to go to the store and get, so you don't damage your accessory, like what strap is good. This one comes with the strap, so that's a good thing. So this is large size. It's brown inside, and then it does have its compartments. They do have this one with the green strap. It's a new part of the collection. I saw the around the world, I think. So you could add like not stickers, but they're like little decals and kind of personalize your bag. Personally, I like the original, so I bought it like this. So this is that one. Okay, and then let's see the other dust bag. Backwards, there we go. And it comes out like this. This is cute, which I liked it because look, I can hang it. I don't know if you guys can see. I can hang it like this, just use it this way. It's like if I have 3 bags. Carry it like this, and then it's the, I don't know if you guys can see, straps in the back. And then let's open it up. I don't know how this one looks. Oh, how cool. So it comes with the book and the sticker. So that comes in there. And it's really cute. See, this one, you could attach it to the big one. Or look, you could even unhook it. See? Kind of, I don't know why you would want to use it like this, but you could unhook it. You can probably use this chain for the, oh, you actually can't use it for the other one, but you could attach both of them in here. Only because this one has the, like the strap like this. So you can't really unhook this because it's just going to be a chain. Like if you could tell the difference. This one you hook a chain. So this one's for the pink strap that it comes with. As you can tell, I love pink. And then this is just to hang it. I did see it looks like something like this on the picture. We'll figure it out right now. Let's keep opening up. So that one came in this dust bag. And then I'm guessing this is a strap. Yes, it is. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. Look at, so this, it's pretty big. I thought it was smaller. So this is like the coin purse, and this is the strap. It's very thick and cute. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it in the camera, but it's very cute. I love it. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is so cute. Look, cute little coin purse. I mean, you could even put, I don't know what you can fit in it. I'll make another video once I put it all together, but it's really cute. I'm guessing of what I saw in the picture. I might be doing this wrong, but what I saw, you hook like this, and you hook this one like this, and then look, you can use it like this. I don't know if you guys can kind of see. I have it like this. You can use it like that. So you can, it's like you have two bags, you know, because you can use it like this, and then you can use it how I showed you the other way, you know, like that. Or you could attach them and make three. So let's attach it to see how it looks. I might be doing this wrong, but we'll see. First time with this bag, so I'm not sure how it's supposed to attach. I'm gonna try to attach this one to there. That's what I'm assuming. I would probably have to look at the picture to get more how it looks. But of what I saw, it kind of looks like that. So I'm gonna try it. Of what I remember. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it's attached. I think it looks like that. And then it's cool because the strap is also adjustable, so I like that. So I would use it like this. Oh, you guys can't really see, but like this. That's how I would use it. I think I like how it looks. It looks kind of cute. I wish I could show you guys. So it looks cute like that. I would use it like, I would definitely use it like that. Or I think you could also just remove this chain and kind of use it like this, which is also cute. Yeah, so that's how that looks. And then you could adjust the strap. I really like this. I think I'm gonna use it today, since I guess it matches my hair too, so it's cute. So I'll show you guys how I organize it on the next video. But anyways, if you guys have any questions on how I purchased this, comment below. I'll also make another video how I purchased it. It's really hard to find this one right now. It did take me a while, but I managed to receive it. So yeah, I think it's really cute. I think it's worth the money. I did waste a little bit over $2,000 for it, of course, with the shipping, and I did overnight it. They did tell me it was gonna take about 2 weeks to arrive. It didn't. It took 3 days. Same thing happened with my last one. I have it right here to show you guys. I don't know if you guys remember my Kirigami set that I got. Also, they had told me, oh, it's gonna take about 3 weeks or 2 weeks, and they're like, are you okay with it? And I'm like, yes, I've been waiting months for this. Which I didn't mind waiting, you know, 2 weeks, since we really can't go nowhere. We're still quarantined. But anyways, really cute. And then you can use it so many ways. I feel like you can use this one, you know, just to go out in the night, you know, just carry your cell phone. I'm sure just your cell phone fits. And then you can use the other one if you're going somewhere. I think it's really cute. And I definitely think it's worth the money because a little bit over $2,000, and you get like different ways to use it versus one bag. I do really like small bags myself, so I really would just use this one, just carry it like that. I think it's really cute. I can use the other one the other way, or I can just use this one like this. So it's kind of like I got 2 bags in one, in my opinion. And then if I, you know, don't want to wear the pink strap, I can definitely go into the Louis Vuitton store and try a different strap on it and purchase it. I mean, I think it's really worth the money because you can use it so many ways, like I told you guys. And yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, just like, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys next time in another video. Bye.